Hi everyone, in this video we will learn to design a surface for a simple potato chip using SolidWORKS. Let's start. Create a new sketch on the top plane. Select ellipse from the options, and draw a simple ellipse. Set the dimensions of the ellipse. I have set the major axis length as 500 mm and minor axis length as 350 mm. Now, create a new sketch on the front plane. Draw some construction lines as shown. We will use the points as extreme ends of our curve. Selecting a style spline and drawing the curve as shown. Now, use the project curve option as shown, and select the two sketches. The perimeter of the chip has been created. Use the surface fill option, to fill the surface. The simple surface of the chip is created. We will use thicken command to convert this surface into solid. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel. And stay tuned for upcoming fun videos. We will try to insert some pattern within the chip, as we sometimes see on it. Creating a small rectangle on top plane. Extruding it and creating a rectangular pattern, such that it covers the entire area of chip. Now, removing the rectangular pattern from chip, using combine function. We have our chip with design ready. Subscribe to the channel for upcoming fun videos. Thank you.